welcome to DTB Traders, the most complete system of tools for traders using the NinjaTrader platform. My name is Al, and together with our founder, Jason Taylor, we developed this Jumpstart program in direct response to the feedback from our subscribers, many of whom were really looking for a way to accelerate their onboarding and their learning of the DTB system of tools, which at the moment is designed and specifically fully integrated into the NinjaTrader platform. But first, let's start with what exactly is the Jumpstart program and what can you expect to get out of it? Well, our Jumpstart program is a 4-week onboarding program specifically designed to help our subscribers accelerate their learning on how to use the DTB system of tools and maximize their consistency and their success. Our 4-week program consists of guided onboarding content tailored to assist you with the setup and understanding of our trading concepts and tools, so things like our strategies, our signal charts, and our templates. Starting with week 1, we focus on the introduction and setup, which we cover the foundational aspects, such as the introduction to the DTB system, getting your system set up correctly, which by the way, is probably one of the most important things, and an introduction to some of our indicators. In week 2, we move to a broader discovery with an introduction into some of our signal charts and a deeper dive into some of our more advanced trading indicators. In week 3, we really start to put what we have learned into action and also dive deeper into some of our more advanced indicators. And by now you'll realize that we're introducing you to indicators as we progress through the weeks to make sure that we don't overwhelm you. And week 3 is particularly exciting for me, and I'll share a little bit more about that in a moment. Lastly, in week 4, we aim to ensure that you're applying all the learning and that you're finding more consistency in your trading. Additionally, we'll introduce you to our game plan, something that we launched about a year ago that summarizes our strategy and plan for each week ahead using our automated trading strategies. Now, as you can see on the video, in addition to all of the content over the 4 weeks, we're also including 2 1-hour one-on-one coaching sessions per month, plus we provide access to dedicated support through our Discord server as well as email support. So let's take a closer look, starting with week 1 of the Jumpstart program. We will cover an introduction to our members area, our back office links, our directory of content where we store all our documents and files. We'll also give you a quick intro to NinjaTrader, especially valid for those of you that are not so familiar. We'll then show you how to import the DTB system of tools and give you a quick intro into our DTB bars. We'll also show you how to use our custom developed script to easily get your system updated on a weekly basis with all the latest new strategies, templates, and enhancements. And then we'll look at how to work with NinjaTrader, but again in relation to how it works with our system of tools. And then we start to, with some of the introductions to our DTB indicators such as account position, advanced retracement, auto Fibonacci, and Bollinger. We also take a look at other DTB indicators such as breakout box and breakout volume. So it's a jam-packed week 1 with lots of value, but we're careful again not to overwhelm you, so we'll get into more advanced indicators as the weeks progress. In week 2, we take a look at removal and updating of the DTB assemblies. This is quite an important step that we have to do every week to make sure that you are on the latest version of everything that we have released. We also introduce you to some of our indicators such as candle volume multi, and then candle volume multi with cash machine. And we also take a look at some of our other DTB indicators such as DTB EMA Fibonacci levels gap trader, DTB Keltner levels, and range manipulation detector. Looking at week 3, we take a look at some of our more advanced DTB indicators such as the SI indicator and first combination, as well as the smoothing filter, trend following, and second combination. We then take our first look at signal chart combinations with a lot more detail. We also walk through setting up your own workspace and dive deeper into signal charts, starting with 2 of my personal favorites, Show Me the Money and Take It and Run signal charts, both incredibly powerful signal charts, so you have something really awesome to look forward to in week 3. But again, I stress, don't jump ahead to week 3. Make sure you go through week 1 and week 2. There's so much learning to be had. In our final week, week 4, this is where you really start with your automated trading, right? This is where your automated trading journey begins. That's right, you heard right, automated trading, right? With the DTB system of tools, our value proposition to our subscribers is based on a complete system of tools made up of incredibly powerful signal charts, regular and I think this is a weekly basis, updated strategies and templates that you as a trader can use both for automated trading as well as manual trading. Now, this is quite important. We continue to advocate, right, that you shouldn't only look how to auto trade, but you should most importantly also learn how to manual trade. And this is how you get the best value out of our system of tools. So we wrap up week 4, diving into our baseline week trader, which is an automated trading strategy with optimizations. So we'll show you how to use this automated strategy and enable you to run your own optimizations so that you can come up with setups that work best for you as well. So that really wraps up everything that we cover in our Jumpstart program, and hopefully you can see that it's jam-packed with tons of value for you. Our subscribers have obviously provided a lot of feedback, and as you can see from the examples on the screen, there's a lot of positive feedback that they've shared on our Discord server. And this is just a couple of examples of some of the successes and the value that they have received from participating in the Jumpstart program. Now again, as you'll hear us say many, many times, we believe in full transparency. So all our communication and feedback from our subscribers is posted on our Discord server and is open to the public to see and validate for yourselves. Now, I'm sure you're well aware that there's, so many fly-by-night companies, and I'm sure you've paid other companies for, a lot of promises with these single charts that are, all powerful and solve all your problems. But that's not us, right? Our business model is predicated on a subscription model, which means we have to continue to ensure that we earn the right to have your business. And I'm sure you can recognize that we put a lot of time and effort into building not only this Jumpstart program, but you'll come to learn, as well as the DTB system of tools that we have developed. So every week we put a lot of effort into making sure that we continue to make more enhancements to the system of tools that we're giving you access to. And again, this consists of the most powerful strategies and signal charts and templates available today. There simply is nothing else like it out there. And we encourage you to check out our YouTube channel for our weekly live sessions that take place every Sunday at 8 p.m. New York time. So our entire DTB system of tools, very importantly, is built on 20 plus years of real world trading experience, which we make available to all of our paid subscribers, right? You get access to everything that we have to offer. And if you think about it, for less than $9 per day, that's right, for less than $9 per day, our paid subscribers get access to not just one signal chart like these other companies, but our entire DTB system of tools, consisting of more than 20 signal charts, strategies, and templates that are all optimized and updated, enhanced on a super regular basis. So lots and lots of value jam-packed. Now, we also recognize that, there are many new subscribers out there that really want to test drive our system of tools before jumping in. So we're offering our Jumpstart program to our subscribers at a discounted rate, right? You still get access to the full DTB system of tools, and you get access to our tailored Jumpstart program content for a once-off $3.99 for a full 3-month subscription. So if you remember the previous slide that we had up, the normal price for 3-month subscription is $5.99. So we're making available all of the content that we have developed in the Jumpstart program, plus giving you the same full access for 3 months at a more discounted rate of $3.99, right? So you get access to all of those 4 weeks of training content, and the support is essentially free. So you get access to the Jumpstart program actually essentially for free, and you get the 3-month subscription at a discounted rate. That's a pretty good deal. But it doesn't stop there, right? We're going to take it a step further, because We are committed to your success, and we're prepared to put our money where our mouth is. So we're offering a 100% money back guarantee, right? Sure, there are conditions, and only to be fair, right? Our money back guarantee applies to the automated trading strategies, and it should be validated by the community results on Discord, eliminating any individual system-specific technical issues that may skew the results, right? We always recommend to our subscribers to use a dedicated server for trading with high performance, low latency, and resilient network connectivity to the exchanges and trading platforms to maximize your chances of success. And please have a look at the description of the video down below for some of the server platforms that we highly recommend and that we use ourselves. And you can again find a lot of these links on our YouTube channel or our Discord server. So if you're interested in trying this out, please check out our website on dtbtraders.com. And if you're ready to sign up for our Jumpstart program, please email us at jumpstart@dtbtraders.com, and we will get in touch with you and get you set up as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief overview, and we really look forward to working with you. Thank you.